Pressure looks good. Flow is stable.
Excellent. Keep monitoring.
Set the temperature to 18 degrees. Monitor the syrup viscosity closely.
Roger that. Adjusting now. The reading is within the acceptable range. Good. Proceed with the batch. The temperature looks just right. Check the consistency, please. Thick and ready to go. Setting temperature to 85. Confirming vacuity levels. Checking viscosity.
Keep them spaced evenly to ensure cooling. Spacing is critical for the best quality product.
Keep an eye out for anything too dark.
Right.
Any irregular shapes need to go through.
The texture looks perfect. Agree. Consistent quality.
The last batch is ready for pickup.
Looks perfect. Looks perfect.
Heading to loading bay now.
Pressure is holding steady. Gauge 3 is perfect. We can start the cooling cycle now. Copy that.
Keep the tension even on that loop. Like this. Perfect. Looks really festive.
All right, team. For TED, we're aiming for 10,000 units of pure golden goodness. Let's make it happen. All right, section's looking good. Moving to the next one.
All right, just a little more. Perfect. 500 grams. All right, just a little more tension. Perfect. Now they're coming out wrinkle-free. Humidity check complete. Level is within spec.
The vacuum seal is intact, and this jar is ready for packaging.
Detected. Remove that box. Move it to the isolation zone.
Logging batch number 458B and production time. Complete. Saving.
All right, new roll loaded. Machine ready to resume labeling. Initiating process.
Packaging durability test. Sample 5. Drop test initiation. Impact successful. Visual inspection confirms no leaks.
The reading is perfect. Move to the next batch.
Pallet number 7 is ready for wrapping. Initiating sequence. Good, that looks secure. Next one.
The nozzle is still dripping. Adjust it slowly. Checking the flow. Perfect, it stopped.